Good morning, ma'am. You're Bell Perez Leyva.
Yes.
Ma'am, you're charged with prostitution. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and/or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
On November 1st, 2024, officers were working in an undercover capacity while conducting a vice investigation at Glamour Girls, a sexual-oriented business located at 14428 Hempstead Road in Harris County, Texas. While inside, officer was approached by the defendant. The two engaged in a conversation that turned sexual in nature. The defendant asked the officer if he wanted to go to the VIP room in return for $120. When officer asked what it would include, the defendant replied, "Me."
This isn't subtle, this undercover sting, just escalated fast. $400 for everything. The judge won't let that slide.
Everything for $400. The defendant agreed to have straight sex with the officer for a fee of $400.
Ma'am, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm going to order you as a condition of your bond not to engage in like-kind activity. If I find that you continue with this, I'm going to put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. Do you understand?
Okay.
Would you like to apply for a court-appointed lawyer, ma'am? Okay. We will give you an application. I need to know how much money you make a month. I will take a look at it. And then if you qualify, I will give you a lawyer today. I'll have you sign a receipt with Victoria, and then we will have you take a seat in the jury box. Do not leave until you sign our bond conditions. Otherwise, I'll issue a warrant for your arrest. When you apply for a court-appointed lawyer, you have to qualify. If you make too much money, you just don't qualify. In the affidavit you filled out, you're stating that you make $8,000 a month.
Yes, sir.
This is true.
Si eso es verdad,
Don't qualify
no
for an appointed
califica para un
lawyer,
abogado
ma'am.
de oficio. Quedar más tiempo. O solo mire el juez, por favor.
You really make $8,000
¿Le
a
gana
month?
$8,000 por mes?
Es que eso es algo que no,
Solo mire el juez. Y
que
hable
no
con él.
sabría decirle porque
I want you to tell me the truth.
It's just something I wouldn't know what to tell you. Me gustaría que me digan la verdad.
I don't know how much money you
Solo usted
make.
sabe
All
cuánto dinero
sources.
gana.
I just need you to tell me the truth. Do you really make $8,000 a
¿Le
month?
gana como $8,000 por mes?
es que no sabría decirle porque no sé exactamente lo que hago.
Hold up $8,000 a month. That's more than most lawyers make. Think she's lying on the affidavit or just dodging the truth?
Well, le pido por favor que no me mire a mí, solo mire al juez. I couldn't tell you with any certainty because it varies, my income from day to day. I could make on one day $100, but it depends.
I don't want you to engage in this
No quiero
behavior
que se involucre en
anymore.
este comportamiento ya más.
I want you to understand that if you continue with this, I will put you in jail. You are not allowed to continue with this type of
Va a poder continuar con ese tipo de
income, so to speak. Do you understand?
decirlo así. ¿Usted entiende? Tiene que hablar.
Knowing
Señor,
that.
señor, tiene que hablar.
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
Knowing that,
Sabiendo eso,
what kind of income do you have coming in? Are you married?
¿qué ingreso tienes? ¿Eres casada?
Sí.
Yes.
What does your husband do?
¿A qué se dedica su esposo?
Estamos casados, pero no mantengo una relación con él.
I'm married, but I don't maintain a relationship with him.
Get any income from
¿Usted
him?
recibe ingreso de parte de él?
No.
No.
Do you have children?
¿Usted tiene hijos?
Sí, pero en Cuba.
Yes, but in Cuba.
Yes, what we can do is I can send you home with an application. and you take time, think about it, but I need to know
Yo
what your
necesito
true income is.
que en realidad cuál es su
And
verdadero
then if you qualify, we'll give you a lawyer, but I really need to know what your income is. And
Ya necesito saber.
8,000, just, you don't qualify. So I'll send you with one, but I want you to understand, you're not engaged in this behavior.
Se puede involucrar en esa
So when you fill out this application, it's not taking this into account.
consideración.
Do you understand?
¿Se entendió?
Sí, señor.
No more of this.
Ya no más de esto.
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
all right. Please.
Pásele.
In Judge Fleischer's courtroom, the atmosphere turned serious as Bell Perez Lima stood before the bench, charged with prostitution. The case unfolded from an undercover sting operation at a Houston establishment called Glamour Girls, where officers posed as clients. According to the report, Perez approached one of the officers and proposed going to the VIP room, offering everything for $400. When pressed on what that included, her response was blunt. Me. That statement sealed the deal on probable cause, and Judge Fleischer made it clear. This case was moving forward, but what followed was equally revealing. Perez requested a court-appointed attorney, claiming she couldn't afford legal help. However, her own affidavit stated she earned $8,000 a month, raising eyebrows. Judge Fleischer wasn't buying it. He stressed the importance of honesty and warned her in no uncertain terms. If this behavior continued, there would be no more leniency. Jail time was the next step. She insisted her income fluctuated daily. One day she might make $100, the next, who knows? But Judge Fleischer wasn't interested in vague excuses. He told her to go home with the application, be truthful about her finances, and, most importantly, stay out of this kind of work. This courtroom moment teaches us a hard truth. Fast money often comes with heavy consequences. Whether it's out of desperation or choice, stepping into illegal territory only opens the door to legal trouble and long-term damage. Honesty, responsibility, and legal employment might not offer quick cash, but they do offer peace of mind and a future free from criminal records. Let's stay on the right side of the law for ourselves and for those who count on us.